Hello homeowners, my name is Gary and welcome to the Techvill Appliance Repair YouTube channel. We are located here in beautiful city of Calgary in Canada, just 1 hour drive from Rocky Mountain. We are filming this video when we have just crossed 145 subscribers. Frankly speaking, reaching 100 subscribers was a big deal for us. At this point, we realized that practical advice that we give our viewers about their home appliances is resonating with you. On this channel, we share our experience in home appliances repair with you. You can find an answer to big questions like which fridge or which washing machine is the best.
This appliance is cooling itself naturally because the cold air is always trying to go down, warm air trying to go up.
Or a small one on how to replace the water filter in your fridge.
Step 3. Install the new filter. Push this button to take the old filter out and simply put the new one in.
Or how to unclog the dishwasher.
Another thing is filter cleaning. There is no need to clean it on a daily basis, but I do recommend doing that once every 3-4 months.
Everyone from Techvill Appliance Repair is the team pitching in. John is sharing his experience in fridge maintenance.
You get that ice in that corner that no heat gets to, and then it just builds on itself and it takes over your fridge.
Evan is giving his advice on dryers.
Try to avoid issues like that with a thermal cutoff. You could try making sure you clean your lint filter every single use.
One shows us how to fix the old fridges.
We'll set it to every 6 hours for 10 minutes to defrost it, and it will resolve the problem for the future.
And Vida, our customer service expert that takes the phone calls from our clients, is telling some stories.
But finally we ended up not being able to give him that appointment, and then like 10 minutes later he calls me and I said, we just talked. He started laughing. He said, I called another company. They said they couldn't fix it. Call Techvill Appliance.
So if you're looking for some tips on home appliance maintenance and repair, please subscribe to our channel. This will help us to create more and more videos. If you have some specific questions on home appliance and you didn't find the video on the topic on our channel, feel free to drop the questions in the comments below. We will do our best to share a video on that matter. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for new videos.